Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to quickly talk about something very important before we jump into C# 14 features and demos. While preparing the demos for C# 14, I realized that C# 14 is tightly coupled with .NET 10, and unfortunately, you cannot run or demo these features using Visual Studio 2022 even if you already have it installed. After digging deeper, the reason became clear. .NET 10 and C# 14 require the latest tooling, which means we need Visual Studio 2026. So I went ahead and downloaded and installed Visual Studio 2026 Community Edition. And now I am able to create projects targeting .NET 10, work with C# 14 features, and prepare proper demos for the upcoming videos. Hello everyone, you have started watching Code with Abby. Consider this video as a prerequisite or foundation video. In upcoming videos, we will deep dive into C# 14 features and real-time demos, what's new in Visual Studio 2026, and how the changes impact modern .NET development. If you find this useful and want to stay updated with modern C#, .NET and practical demos, do subscribe to the channel, like this video and share it with your developer friends. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get started. We wanted to check all the features of C# 14 and hence, since we had Visual Studio 2022 installed in our machine, we went ahead to open it to see if we can do all programs of C# 14 here. So here we are selecting a new project, and from new project I selected the console type of application. Selecting next, I can give C# 14 and then I can select a location where I have all demos, so C# 14 features, and then I'm clicking next. This framework section of drop-down should show me .NET 10 here, but I see that this is not going to show me .NET 10 here. That means somehow there is somehow Visual Studio 2022 is not supporting .NET 10 here by default. So in this way, since it doesn't support .NET 10 and there is no .NET 10 framework in the list, we cannot do programs in C# 14 here using Visual Studio 2022. Normally, I came here in Chrome and I just typed how can we do C# 14 programs in Visual Studio, and here is the answer. To use C# 14 in Visual Studio, you need to use Visual Studio 2026 or later and the .NET 10 SDK. C# 14 features are available by default when you target .NET 10 in compatible Visual Studio version. So that appears that we need to install Visual Studio 2026 in our machine, and then we can continue doing programs for C# 14. So I came to https visualstudio.microsoft.com downloads, and we can see Visual Studio 2026 here, the most comprehensive IDE for .NET and C++ developers on Windows for building web, cloud, desktop, mobile apps, etc. Right? So here we can see a couple of variations of Visual Studio: community, professional, and enterprise. I will prefer community because we are students and we are to use it open source. So individuals, so we will go here and we'll try to download it. I hit the free download and then it getting downloading for me. You can see here, and let's go and try to install it. So it started downloading for me. It may take some time, so let's wait for it gets things installed here. It asks for some other settings because we already Visual Studio 2022, Community 2022. So copy worklogs, components, and settings from previous installation. You can say yes, and or you can say no even. So I say next, and then it should do things for me, getting things ready. So here it is asking for all these packages. So I say okay. And you see ASP.NET Web Development, Azure AI Development, Python Development, Node.js, multi-platform development here, .NET Desktop, and stuff like this. This is all selected. I'm saying install. It started getting things installed here. So I'll fast forward for you until it completes the installation. Install. Let's close it and try to open Visual Studio 2026. I will try typing Visual Studio 2026 here. Visual Studio. So signing in is taking place for the first time because once you are opening, it will ask you for doing sign in. So that's all. I say maybe later. Let's say Visual Studio 2026. Get it started. Create a new project as we do. So we'll say create a new project. It loads all templates. So console application, C#. I say next. And then we'll say C# 14 demos. And then we'll select the location. So we have created a folder. So now that's all. And you see here, we say next. And you see here .NET version 10. So it's very simple. We'll create it, say create, and it will create a console application project for us. Now you can see here, and we can go ahead with this console application project. That brings us to the end of this prerequisite video. In the next videos, we will start exploring C# 14 features with real demos and also take a look at what's new in Visual Studio 2026 step by step. If this video helped you get clarity on the setup, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is planning to learn modern C# and .NET. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.